Okay, guys, let's talk about how to configure organization unit or OU, one of the very another key component in any Windows server environment, whether you're using Windows 16, 19, or 2022. It doesn't matter, but it's very important as well. So we recently learned how to create a user, how to create a group, and now how to create a organization unit. So I need your attention in here. It's very essential and it's very important as well. So before, if you remember, we just right click and we can create new group, new user, and so on. But so far, if we have a plan to create or add a new organization unit, you probably need to come and right click on your domain controller name. So in here, you have to come to organization, or we can say organizational unit. Okay, this is how you can create organizational unit. That's going to be HR, the EPT. We can say it's HR department. So this organization unit is only dedicated for HR department. Whoever is a member of HR department should be in here. Let's create an account in HR department as well to make sure that we are able to create an account. So in here we can create account by the name of user2. So user 2. Next password is a admin at 123 admin at 123. So we already discussed about this one. Let's not make change. So user cannot change the password never expired. Next, finish. Okay, so we have one person who work in our HR department or human resource department, which is called user 2. So this is how you can create organization units as well. So it is very important to remember how to create organization unit. So if you come right click in this unit, you can find the if you can define or make give some description, a street, city, where, and which member, or that's a different procedure. But so far, this is how you can create a new organization unit as well. I was trying to find out. I was trying to find out there's a specific feature which is called hierarchical design. Let me see if I can find hierarchical design in here. It's very important as well. I don't want to make changes, and if I want to come right click in here, new new organization unit. So, oh yeah, here's the thing. Here's very important thing. So I forgot to discuss about this one. Protect controller from the accident deletion. So by default, this option is already enabled. If you want to, I think if we want to disable in here, so delegation control, new policy, explore properties. Just give me 1 second. Region is no region member of. We want to make some changes. We didn't want to make any changes. But so far, you should keep in your mind. I truly like this feature. For example, if you right click and create a new organization unit, this is a protect non-protect. So this is beautiful because in case if you want to delete the computer, if you want to delete the computer, so probably you gonna um, if you by accident if you delete the folder, so in here it says like you're not able to delete this organizational unit because it's under protection. So I will keep this one as a built-in. So with the Microsoft, if you want to create organizational unit, it is automatically enabled. You can disable it as well. So let me see if is there any way where I can it is a view. If I come in here, advanced feature. So if you come advanced feature, um, just give me 1 second. When I come to advanced feature, HR department in here, um, move find. because I should able to make this changes if it is possible. View advanced feature. I don't know why. So in here, if I come to the properties, advanced feature. Oh, there you go. There you go. So attribution editor and also common security. So the security object. Here's the protection from accident. So in case if you don't want that feature, for example, you create a temporary folder, you could create a temporary organizational unit, and you didn't want to have full attention at that one because you're going to make it or you're going to delete it later on. So you need to uncheck. These are the these are the new features with the Windows Server 2022, probably with the Windows 2019 as well. But just keeping in mind, these are very important things because you may encounter these problems in the production. Probably one of your manager will say that, hey, you know what? Do you want to make sure that the organization unit that you have created, it's also protected, objected from accident and deletion as well? And you probably need to come here. First of all, make sure to click the View Advanced Feature. Means you just view the organization unit with the full details and come back to Properties and their object. You have to check this one, apply OK. If you want to delete it, it may not delete it because it's asked like this is something like very sensitive information or sensitive organizational unit. You may not able to delete it. So this is how you can delete organizational unit. And the next section we're gonna learn how to add a computer account. So before it was how we can create a user, but in the next lecture we're gonna learn how to create a or how to add a computer in here in case if any computer is not a member of this one. Guys, if you remember, this computer belong to this computer name is belong to this computer, but in the next section we're gonna learn how to add manually a computer name as well. See you guys there.